Hello and welcome back everyone to my island in the sun. Thank you for tuning in to A Taste of St. Martin. Today we have apple pie cinnamon roll on the menu. You can make your cinnamon rolls from scratch or you can use pre-made canned cinnamon roll. It is a quick and easy way to enjoy a classic treat without the time and effort of making it from scratch. It's a delightful variation than what you're accustomed to. I already pressed some of the rolls out in a baking pan for you to see. You can use your fingers, but I'm also using my measuring cup to help even out the rolls. Try to press each roll to a consistent thickness. This would help to ensure even baking. As you can see here, I'm using my fingers to press into the bottom of the rolls as well as the corners. Like I said, you want a consistent thickness all the way around. With the apple pie filling, you can either make it from scratch or you can use a pre-made filling. With the pre-made filling, you do have the capabilities to enhance your flavor by adding additional ingredients. For instance, you can add nutmeg or cinnamon or additional vanilla, or for texture, you can add, nuts or something along those lines if you wish to. Also be careful not to overfill your apple pie cinnamon rolls. I'm using a small ice cream scoop. If you don't have that, you can use a tablespoon. Then go ahead and preheat your oven to 375 degrees and add your apple pie cinnamon rolls. Watch your rolls closely. Because your rolls are thinner, they may bake faster than usual. After about 13 minutes, you want to go ahead and start checking periodically for doneness. Then once your apple cinnamon rolls are cooked, let them cool for about 10 minutes, then remove it from your baking pan. If you are using pre-made canned cinnamon rolls, you can use the topping that comes with it. These apple pie cinnamon rolls, they look so delicious and they smell great. I am using homemade coconut whipped cream as a topping for my apple pie cinnamon roll. The link to my homemade coconut whipped cream will be in the description of this video. I hope you decide to try this dish soon. As always, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment below. Remember, a link for the full recipe will be provided in the description section below. Until next time, always progressing, always cooking.